Let's begin. What is probability? First, we find probability of an event A often random connected with a random experiment E. So, what is random experiment? What is event? Random experiment is random experiment is an experiment in which first one, all outcomes of the experiment are known in advance. Second one, any particular performance of the experiment result cannot be predicted in advance. Third one, the experiment can be repeated identical condition. For example, if we toss a coin, then there are possible two outcomes. First one is head, second one is tail. But we cannot predict what is the actual result before tossing a coin. And if we toss a coin two times, then it may occur two times head, two times tail. Okay, identical conditions. Second, next, what is event? A result or outcomes of a random experiment are called the events connected with the experiment. A result or outcomes. If we toss a coin, then head and tail are the two events in the experiment of the tossing a coin. Okay. Next one is mutually exclusive event. The events which cannot occur simultaneously connected with an experiment are called mutually exclusive event. The events which cannot occur simultaneously. For example, if an experiment throwing a die events even phase and odd phase, even phase and odd phase are mutually exclusive because even phase contains 3 points. Even phase contains 3 points 2, 4, 6. Not phase contains 3 points 1, 3, 5, which are mutually exclusive. Since there are no common member of this set, so intersection of two sets is phi. So this is called mutually exclusive. Okay. Next one is impossible event. What is impossible event? The event connected with an experiment which are logically impossible, that is, which cannot occur at any performance of the experiment, are called impossible event. For example, 7 is an impossible event in the experiment throwing a die, since 7 cannot occur after throwing a die. It's occurred 1 to 6. Note, probability of an impossible event is 0. If P of A is 0, then A is called impossible event. Possible event. If P of A is 1, then A is called sure or certain event. Mind it. Okay. Next one is sample space. What is sample space? Set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment E is known as sample space. It is denoted by S or omega, big omega. Okay. It's also called event space. Set of all outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. Okay. For an example, if we roll a die Then set of all possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so sample space contains 6 points. Okay, clear?